Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to explore two English words that can be a bit tricky. These words may seem simple at first, but their meanings can be quite complex. So let's dive in. First up, we have abide. Abide. This word can be a bit confusing because it has multiple meanings. On one hand, it can mean to accept or tolerate something. For example, if your roommate's messy habits are driving you crazy, but you choose to abide by them, you are accepting their behavior. Or, if you decide to abide by the speed limit and other traffic laws while driving, you are following the rules and being a responsible driver. On the other hand, abide can mean to continue or remain in a certain state or condition. For example, I will abide by the decision of the court. Or if you can't move from your chair for hours while studying, you might say you are abiding by your study schedule. Here is a sentence example. We must abide by the laws of the land, even if we don't always agree with them. Now let's move on to our second word, cyan. Cyan. Cyan is a color and it's a bright blue-green hue. You might have seen it in nature or in digital media such as websites or video games. For example, the water in this tropical paradise has a lovely cyan color that's almost too pretty to be real. Here's another sentence example. The cyan-colored dress looked stunning on her. And there you have it, the meanings of abide and cyan. They may seem like simple words, but it's always good to know what they mean and how to use them in everyday language. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.